This is where it started. A few tin cans strapped together with hopes and dreams for an instant filament dryer. And this is what I was doing in the past few months. After reading hundreds of comments from the previous video, I took into account all the useful information that I learned from there, and I started working and designing and testing the V2.
Do you want me to
No, I want to remember it in my head because I wrote it. Why can't I remember it? I thought that this is going to be easy, and it maybe look cool, but it doesn't work, not even a little bit. So where did I go wrong? What is exactly not working here? The principle is there. The filament goes through one of those holes. It's wrapping around this drum. The motor is located on the outside of the enclosure that drives a fan via this belt, and the fan spins and directs airflow via the PID controlled PTC heater. The hot air is being circulated directly into the filament path. This little container has a desiccant which will absorb the moisture that is released by the filament. Wet filament in, dry filament out, and on the surface it looks perfect, but it doesn't work, as I said before. Why? Well, the motor is super underpowered. It barely provides any airflow. The PID is not well tuned at all, and it melts the parts. The filament is being wrapped on itself, creating way too much friction, and the box is not sealed, so moist air gets inside and ruins all the efforts that we did before. But all of this is completely irrelevant because I skipped the most important part, and this is the proof of concept. Yes, the pile of tin cans, they had a little bit of potential. They showed some stuff is going on there, but this is a completely different system. This is a closed loop dryer, and I went ahead and started building it and designing it without a proof of concept first. And this is going to be my focus for the next few videos. For now, there's the Discord, and the files for this, is if you want to look at this, are going to be on Discord. Of course, I want to hear all your questions. I want to hear your ideas, and you can share with me. You can share it on Discord. And yeah, that's my little update. So bye for now.